Credit control, getting it right, know your numbers and win the fight. Okay guys, so I'm Serena.
And I'm Mahmood.
And we're the Numbers Rock Stars. Okay, so listen on for today's exciting topic.
Not getting paid on time is a real bugbear and it's a real pain in the backside. 3 things I'm going to talk to you about how to get paid on time, summarised by CTA. Number 1, culture. Have the right mindset, and when people are late in paying you, make sure you follow it up. When you issue a contract to a client, make sure you've got T&Cs there. So right mindset, don't be afraid of confronting it. Number 2, technology. Technology has a great part to play in terms of capturing your numbers, getting invoices out through the cloud, in terms of reminders on your Outlook, reminders on your Xero dashboard. Technology has a great part to play. And thirdly, it's the action. When you've got a naughty customer on your hand who hasn't quite paid on time, don't sit at home thinking, oh, I better not approach them. Get onto it. Pick up the phone, talk to them directly. Send out statements, make sure they're reminded. And when you've done the work, get the invoice out the door, because clients count not when you've done the work, but when they get that invoice landing on their inbox. More on the website, guys.
Okay guys, so if you enjoyed today's blog, until next week, ciao.
Ciao.